certain that everything is certainly fine. Morning in Ponyville shimmers, morning in Ponyville shines, and I know for absolute certain that everything will be fine.
Hello everyone, TorridPasta999 here, and it turns out it's going to be another nightmare night with little to offer. Yes, it seems we once again have a Twitch problem. That is, both the platform and the changeling.
The only one with a problem is you creep! Mind your own beeswax, I'm breaking in the dough!
There is already a massive problem with Thots on Twitch. We do not also need Twitch being a thought!
Oh, screw you, you blood-sucking moral Puritan! Burn me at the stake, why don't you?
That can be arranged! Well, anyway, but we still have something to show you nonetheless. So, do you recall back in my Abiding by Disney video, I covered the prequel fiction A Few Suggestions, and for visuals I provided customized suggestion cards, as the story was effectively told through what was written on those cards. However, as it turns out, I did not showcase all of them, as they did not all fit into the video. So, that said, here is a complete slideshow of all the custom cards that tell the full story. Enjoy. And there you have it, the full story, portrayed in as accurate a format as possible. I hope you have enjoyed my little slideshow, as producing these recreations was quite fun. This is TorridPasta999, signing out and reminding you they are only suggestions. Happy Nightmare Night!